Hello everyone, it's Hanny with the Margarete Miller collage challenge, the weekly challenge, and this is week 26, and the prompts are something that records. Yeah, I had something. I've been searching this afternoon. Yeah, something that records. You see, a little lady with a microphone. So that's one. Stripes. A piece of paper with stripes. Something bright. Well, here is the bright sun, and I have this sun. I cut it out already. Envelope either side, of either side. Well, I've had folded this envelope and earlier this week, so I think I can use that one because yeah, my supplies are limited. Map, I found a little. We have been in Franeker yeah, a week ago I think, and this is well, an old city map of this, the city of Franeker, and bonus a coloring book page. Well, I found in the, well, we are on a camping, and there is a room you can sit, you can read books, and you can play games and whatever, and watch telly. And there was a coloring book, and I borrowed a little piece of it. So because I didn't have a coloring book with me, and I couldn't find anything that well, that could replace it, so that's what I cut out. And I have a few background papers I will use. Here I'm going to make a tag from this to write the prompts on, and this is just for the background. I'm going to speed up the video and with a bit music behind it, and well, I would say enjoy watching. Bye.